Dr. Evans, thank you for joining us. Let's start with a common point of confusion. How should we distinguish between localized high-concentration PFAS hotspots and the more widespread low-level contamination we see?
It's crucial to view them as two parts of the same problem. While we can target a factory or a fire training site and see local levels drop, that doesn't mean the issue is resolved. PFOA, for example, is incredibly stable and travels long distances, so localized success can coexist with broad, persistent environmental contamination.
That makes sense. So, moving from a manageable source like a water utility to something like fish in a river, what are the specific challenges there?
The key difference is bioaccumulation. With fish, it's not just about the water's concentration. We have to consider the entire food web, sediment contamination, and even differences between species. It's not a simple install a filter solution like it can be for drinking water.
And I imagine the financial burden of tackling this is enormous. Is cost a major barrier to effective action?
Absolutely. The cost is a central part of the problem, not a side issue. The EPA's new drinking water rule alone is estimated at $1.5 billion annually, and that's just for drinking water. The EU has made it clear that proactive source control is far cheaper than dealing with the consequences later.
So, given all these complexities, persistence, bioaccumulation, and cost, how would you define the core of the PFAS problem for our audience?
The core issue isn't just about setting a legal limit. It's the gap between our regulations and our ability to effectively implement them. We find new contamination sites, struggle with waste disposal, and face hard-to-remediate areas like fisheries. This is why the precautionary principle, stopping pollution at the source, is a pragmatic, not an emotional strategy.